Chevy suck. What was that?
That's a teaser. Here comes the pleaser.
Okay, yeah.
Or the showstopper of the rocker or whatever, etc. There she is. Alright, now it's Jason Wilcoxon's turn.
Make Kayla proud.
Yeah, make Kayla proud. She's watching.
How can I do that with Kevin?
She's on YouTube right now watching you. One is the loneliest number.
It's a glorious day at the bowling alley. And the amateurs take the field. Well, Bob, we're starting out with the gutter ball today.
Now it's Jeremy Duckworth. Say hi to your family.
Hi, Mom.
And your wife, and your kids, and your dad, and your brother.
Connor, clean your room. Amy, I want some cookies.
Just go ahead and leave your daughter out and your brother. It's alright. And Jason's a little beep that couldn't come, so anyway. And then Justin. Or AKA.
If the camera is shaking, it is because he is walking. Ginger the Ninja. Even with the simplest of throws, he knocks down all the pins. See how the pins shake.
Crikey!